Iris Courtney. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate covered peanut butter bugles. And so what you're going to need is chocolate chips, coconut oil, peanut butter, and optional sprinkles. So what you're going to start out with is a quarter cup of chocolate chips and a teaspoon of coconut oil. It will look like this. And once you melt it for 20 seconds, if it's still not melted, melt it for 20 more seconds. And don't do any more than 20 seconds at a time, or else it will burn. And stir it every time it's adding liquid. So while it's melting, you would get a bugle and some peanut butter. And be a little hefty with the peanut butter because you kind of need a lot. And I'm only making 3. That's a little lot. That's kind of a lot. Okay. Now the chocolate is melted. You can kind of mold it with your fingers a little. What you're going to do is you're going to get it, and you're just kind of drizzling it all over. You don't want the peanut butter to be seen. You kind of just are trying to cover it and get it like away from, you basically don't want the peanut butter to be seen. So now I'm just going to place it down on a plate. It's going to be a little gooey, sorry. And now you're going to get this and your sprinkles, and just be, like I said, be a little hefty. Yeah, you're definitely going to have some residue on the plate. So let's make some more. So like I said, hefty on the peanut butter. I'm trying to put a lot on this one. And then I'm going to dunk this one. So as you can tell, all you're going to do is kind of just like move it a little. Done. I don't like to dunk it, because when you dunk it, it's hard. And for dunking, it's going to make a mess, like I just did. So, now you're going to I'm going to make one more. That one's not too much. I'm going to do what I always do. Now, don't do what I just did. Don't do that. But don't put too much, first thing, don't put too much peanut butter, because the peanut butter that we have, I'm just doing that, because you don't have too much chocolate. So yeah, thanks, bye.